Understanding Rebuild Kit, a comprehensive guide. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to delve into the meaning and usage of the phrase, rebuild kit. This phrase is commonly used in various contexts, and understanding it can be very beneficial, especially for those interested in mechanical or DIY projects. Let's get started. Rebuild kit is a compound noun, consisting of two parts, rebuild and kit. The word rebuild is a verb that means to build something again after it has been damaged or destroyed. Kit refers to a set of items grouped together for a particular purpose. When combined, rebuild kit generally refers to a set of parts and tools assembled to repair or reconstruct something that has been worn out or broken. Rebuild kits are often associated with machinery, electronics, or automotive parts. For instance, a carburetor rebuild kit for a vehicle would include all the necessary components like gaskets, O-rings, and valves required to overhaul and restore a carburetor. Understanding the context in which a rebuild kit is mentioned is crucial to grasp its specific purpose. For English language learners, recognizing phrases like rebuild kit is important for a few reasons. Firstly, it helps in technical comprehension, especially in fields like engineering or automotive repair. Secondly, understanding such phrases enhances vocabulary and practical language use, which is essential in everyday conversation, especially in specific industries or hobbies. I hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and use of the phrase, rebuild kit. Remember, understanding such phrases not only expands your vocabulary but also helps you engage more effectively in specific fields of interest. Keep learning, and see you in the next video.